How's it going, everybody? Daner here with North Central Builds, and welcome back to another exciting Polybag opening. With fall just around the corner, I thought it was time that we take a look at some of the autumn themed sets that LEGO has to offer. And one of the Polybags I actually recently managed to pick up was the Farm Garden and Scarecrow set. It is only 34 pieces, so it's a pretty simple build, but it comes with some pretty unique stuff, especially if you're looking to spice up your Halloween or fall themed LEGO setup. Now it comes with a unique minifigure. We also have a scarecrow and it looks like a pumpkin. So some pretty cool fall themed stuff in there. It's a pretty simple build at only 34 pieces, but I did manage to score this for a really good price from one of my local dollar stores. I believe I got it for just under $5. Now my rule of thumb when it comes to Polybags is if you're able to pay $5 or under, you're getting yourself a really good deal. So I'm super excited to build this, see what it looks like once we are finished. But before I can tear this bag open, I would really appreciate if you guys would smash that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and also ring that bell notification so you can follow along with our new videos as they are being released. And then without any further ado, what do you say we tear this bad boy open and take a look at what the Farm Garden and Scarecrow looks like once we are finished. Let's get it, guys.